HitBase Cooking Show episode 2. We're back, and this time we're doing breakfast. We got Eggo waffles, Krispy Kreme donut holes, cinnamon toast waffles, more Eggo waffles, some toaster strudel, Pop-Tarts, more Pop-Tarts, another box of Pop-Tarts. We got this big old ass of chip mix. We got the kind of donuts. We got sausage links. We got bacon, more sausage, bacon, and you know we do it big with more bacon. We got a lot of condiments, like whipped cream, a big old ass tub of whipped cream. We got syrup. We got a nice fancy bottle of Hungry Jack's syrup. And we got eggs. They're very gentle.
And we got the brown sugar.
Yeah, we can top it off with the brown sugar like Fred said. Good job. That base is getting hungrier. Okay, this right here is a terrible idea. It did nothing to help us. We didn't even eat them in the end. These sausages, they even did pretty good on sausage. More and more sausage. Bacon. Oh my god. Runaway sausage. Hard time getting the sausages to the plate. We have to master at the bacon. Master at the bacon. Teamwork. You gotta shine a teamwork. Big old pile of sausage. Sausage mountain. Got a bacon plate. Best bacon you ever seen. Zach the cameraman doing some work. Making pigs in a blanket. Wrapping them up all nice and tight and snug. Nate's not cooking the bacon. Being very gentle with his lips. Zach is impaling them pigs in a blanket. Stabbing them bitches. Victory dance! Eggs. Bacon is frying. More and more bacon. Brett's trying to hurt people. Put the pigs and the bacon in the oven. All three of us are doing work. Nate is scared of this grease. Takes extra precautions. Nate is working that waffle station. Waffles are good. And more and more egg. This is where it went bad. Oh no. This is where it went all bad. All downhill from here. Oh, that cooking crisp just ruined it all. Might as well just put dog food in the pot. Right, just crushing and rain of Pop-Tarts. I want waffles! Doesn't look good. It got a little messy.
Now we're hungry.
But we completed it.
Hungry?
Yeah, we're hungry and...
You guys ready to eat?
Oh. You thought it would be good. But no, it wasn't. It was not. What do you know about diabetes? I probably took 3 bites of that. Zach, choking. And still eating while he's choking. Brett's going crazy. He's going crazy now. We're all done. It's over. Next time, we don't eat this.
What is that?
That's good.
We permanently changed the cooking game.
Yo, HitBase Cooking Show wants you to check out the behind the scenes.
HitBase Cooking coming at you.
Make sure you subscribe, please. Yeah.
Here we are again. HitBase.